time to bring this brisket prep home for pastrami. So we just removed this from the brine solution and rinsed it in some cold water. Now we're gonna film this entire process for YouTube, but I want to ask you guys one question. Which smoker should I put it on? I am in between the Weber Searwood, the Weber Kettle, or the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Drum Smoker. Now the only thing I'm gonna put on my pastrami is pepper. I'm not gonna do the pickling spice. I'm not gonna do any of that. We're just going to let the pepper and all those flavors that are already inside the meat just do its thing. All right. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put a poll right here on this video. So make sure y'all participate, man. Let me know. And how are you guys doing your pastrami or corned beef this weekend?